everyone. In this video, let me explain finite and infinite set in set theory. Finite set, which means a set which consists of only finite number of elements. As an example, let me take two examples. Q is a set consists of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and R is a set consists of month of year. These two are examples under finite sets. Because this is consists of only 4 elements, that is very finite, that is a finite set. The second one, month of year, January to December. So there are only 12 months in year. So this is a finite set. Let me go to infinite set. Set which has infinite number of elements is an infinite set. As an example, let me take the set of all integers from minus infinity to plus infinity. It has infinite number of elements. As in another set of all x such that x belongs to n. Here, the condition is x is a multiple of 3. If you write down the multiple of 3 as 3, 6, 9, 12, you can write up to infinity. So, this is an example under infinite set.